So I always have a problem with, for one, I don't like using my phone for anything technology. You know, the phones are made for, text messaging maybe, but, basically just phone calls. I hate all the apps using them. I just like, I don't know, it's like, I just have a standard size hand, but still find it difficult, even when you're texting, that you're hitting the right ones. And I never did get on that, I don't know, swiping and all that stuff. And I just hate using apps, and it's just very frustrating when these companies, they only provide access to certain things via the app as opposed to the web-based thing on your computer. So I don't know, it's like, I guess I need to get more of like a tablet-sized device for that type of thing, because these phones are horrible. Even like I've got a Razr, the flip phone, and it's got a decent sized screen on it and stuff, but it's still, I find it very difficult. Anyway, with phones in general, it's like, even though I put myself on the do not call list on a lot of the different locations for, getting spam calls and whatnot, they still come in. And even I talked to my brother, and he said, I played one of the voicemails. He's like, hey, I get those same ones. And it's like, I never did apply for a loan, so why are you calling me about a loan? So anyway, what I found gives me peace of mind is I just put it on do not disturb. So like here, I'll show you on my phone. I'll just come down here under the settings. Let's see if you can see that. Okay, so under the do not disturb modes, so here's a do not disturb. See, I just have that on, and what that does, I'll go into settings, is that shade or the reflection is horrible. Anyway, there we go. So the way I have it set up is that under do not disturb, I get notifications from some people can interrupt. And so for messaging, any message comes in from anybody, it'll display, but it won't give me necessarily a notification. For calls, anyone that's in my contact list, it will ring through on my phone like normal. So it's going to ignore the do not disturb. But any number that is not in my contacts will get the do not disturb. So it'll still show on the screen that someone's calling, but it's silent. So I don't hear it on my phone. So it's not like, I'm busy doing something or preoccupied and a call comes in. It's not like I get bothered by my phone ringing. And so you've got these settings where you can adjust that. And so, you can put certain settings in there to specifics as for who can call you and who can't, who is going to interrupt. But yeah, I tell you, and you can do it for apps and different notifications. So that is, I tell you, it's been just heaven sent that is an option, because I literally don't get bothered by my phone ringing all the time. And I would say, I don't know, I'd have to look. Sometimes I got over 50 calls a day from spam callers, telemarketers, whatever. And only a few will leave voice messages. So at the end of the day, I may have upwards of maybe 5 voicemails that I have to filter through, but I know just looking at the number that called, it's one that I don't even care about, so I can just go through and delete those. You can listen to them if you want, but most of them are just, usually I get like 2 or 3 a day. So it's really helped my my peace of mind. I can go live my day without my phone being like some thing that's attached to me all the time that I feel like I have to go to and check it and answer. It's like, no, phones, I'm not like that. I'm not a millennial or whatever you want to say, those people that have their phones attached to them 24/7. In fact, I use my phone for streaming Pandora for my thrash metal in the vehicle. And a lot of times I'll leave my phone in the vehicle And then at the end of the day, I'm like, I need to do a two-factor authentication on the computer, and I use my phone for that. And I'm like, oh, where's my phone? Where did I? Oh, it's in the Jeep. Yep. So anyway, that's most of the time if I ever lose my phone, it's because I left it in the Jeep. So anyway, I hope that helps you. Use that Do Not Disturb feature. It's wonderful. Anyway, everybody have a blessed day.